Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add sections in Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to organize longer surveys or questionnaires by breaking them into logical parts, making it easier for respondents to navigate through your form without feeling overwhelmed. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where your forms are stored, as this will give you access to all your existing forms and the ability to edit them. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This displays all the forms you've worked on lately. Go ahead and click on the form where you want to add sections. This will open up the form in edit mode, allowing you to make all the necessary modifications. Now that your form is open, navigate to the specific question where you'd like to add a new section. This is important because sections in Google Forms help you divide your content based on the flow of questions. Click directly on that question to select it, which will highlight it and prepare it for the next step. With your question selected, turn your attention to the right panel of the screen. This panel contains various tools and options for enhancing your form. Look for the button that says Add Section and click on it. This action will create a new section break right after the question you selected, effectively dividing your form into separate pages or segments that respondents will move through one at a time. To make sure everything is working as intended, it's a good idea to test your form. Look toward the top of the screen and click the Preview button, which typically looks like an eye icon. This opens your form in a new window, showing you exactly what your respondents will see when they access it. In preview mode, go ahead and answer the question you selected earlier. Once you've provided an answer, click the Next button at the bottom of the form. If you've set everything up correctly, you'll now see the new section appear, confirming that your section break is functioning properly and your form is now divided into multiple pages. And there you have it, you've successfully added sections to your Google form, making it more organized and user-friendly for anyone filling it out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.